Questioning the state government's failure to convene assembly session in time, CPI General Secretary D Raja has said that N. Biren has no moral right to continue as the Chief Minister of Manipur. He was speaking as the chief guest at the 17th Foundation Day of the Manipur State Council, Communist Party of India MSC or CPI, which has held on the theme Protect the Territorial Integrity of Manipur at Hotel Imphal yesterday. The CPI General Secretary, who is also a former member of Rajya Sabha, said that the state government should have taken note of the gravity of the mayhem which began on May 3rd this year and discussed the matter in the House by convening an assembly session much earlier. Decrying that the turmoil in the state has been going on for so long with the loss of many lives and thousands displaced till date. He said that the social turmoil will keep lingering until the BJP government has been rooted out from the country.
So it is failure of BJP government, we should understand. As long as BJP remains to power in Manipur or at national level, Manipur's problem will not have a meaningful solution. Let us be very clear. Mr. Modi, the Prime Minister, goes on making tall claims, but the reality is something else. Modi is Prime Minister for the past 9 years. Now he has been asking people to give him power for the third term. If he comes to power for third term, he says India will emerge as the third largest economy in the world. This is a guarantee. And Modi thumbs chest and says this is Modi's guarantee. But for the past 9 years, it has been proved that governance of BJP has become misgovernance.
Here one BJP government is there, and Delhi also one BJP government is there. Why they are miserably failed to address the issues of Manipur? Why there is no political dialogue? Why they are not taking confidence to the people of Manipur from the various groups of Manipur? Why? That question we are raising. On Manipur issue, our Prime Minister was silent. Our Prime Minister was silent till that video was surfaced. They didn't allow our Member of Parliament like Comrade Vinay Vishwam, who gave a notice to discuss it inside Parliament. He will speak all these things. They are giving new slogans. Sabke saath, sabka vikas. I am asking you, they are with you? Sabka saath means kiske saath? आपके सरकार मणिपुर के जनता का साथ है क्या? I am asking this question.